Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see the topic non-homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Here we have question solve, but here the particular integral will be x to the power of m. Okay. So before just see the theory. Okay. Here the question will ask you as solve. Solve means you have to find the general solution. So the general solution will be complementary function plus particular integral. Here first see the procedure to find complementary function. So here the equation will be in the form of am square plus bm plus c equal to 0, that is auxiliary equation. So here since it is quadratic equation, therefore m1 m2 be the roots. Here we have three conditions, three scenarios. First, if it is real and distinct roots, means m1 m2 are different, then CF will be c1 e power of m1x plus c2 e power of m2x. If they are repeated roots, means m1 m2 are same, then CF is equal to bracket of c1 plus c2x bracket close e power of mx. Next, if it is complex roots, then CF will be e power of alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. This is regarding CF. Now particular integral, as you know, particular integral formula is pi is equal to x by f of d, where x is equal to x power of m. Example x, x square, x cube, x power of 4 up to so on, or a polynomial in x. Okay. Now let us see the working rule to find the pi. So step 1, as you know, particular integral is equal to x by f of d. X means x to the power of m, by f of d means a d square plus b d plus c. Here take out c common so as to make this term, first term will be 1. So make 1 as first term. So what do you have to do? Take c common from the equation. X to the power of m as it is in the numerator. Take c common outside. So c place it become 1 plus ad square plus bd means ad square plus bd by c. Now rearrange this and bring this to the numerator. So how we using the formula 1 by a equal to a power of minus 1. So 1 by c, this is in denominator, bring it to the numerator, 1 plus ad plus bd by c power of c minus 1 minus 1 x to the power of m as it is. So here expand this using binomial expansion. 1 minus d power of minus 1 means 1 plus d square plus d cube plus d power of 4. If it is minus here, all are positive. If it is positive here, 1 plus d minus 1 alternate plus minus. So 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus d square. Okay, where d is derivative. Okay. So before we start the problems, subscribe my YouTube channel Explore Maths with Abdul Azim Sir. Share it with your friends and relatives. Now let us begin the topic. The question will ask you as solve d square plus 4 into y is equal to x square. Solution, this is our f of d and this is our x. So CF part, auxiliary equation of fd of y is equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. It means replace d with m, m square plus 4 equal to 0. Send plus 4 there, it become minus 4. So square, when you send there, it becomes square root. So square root of minus 4 means minus 1 into 2 square. So 2 square square root 2 minus I, root of minus I means I, root of minus 1 means I, that is complex number. So m is equal to 0 plus or minus 2i. So alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 2. Complementary function CF is equal to e power of alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Alpha means 0 into x, c1 cos beta into 2x plus c2 sin beta 2x. e power of 0 into x 0, e power of 0 1. So c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Next we will find particular integral. So as you know, particular integral formula is x by f of d. So x means x square, f of d means d square plus 4. So here 4, so take out 4 common so as to make 1 as first term. D square will become d square by 4. So bring this to the numerator. So 1 by 4 as it is. When you bring it to the numerator, 1 plus d square by 4 power minus 1 into x square. Now expand this using binomial expansion. Since plus is there, I will use this one. So 1 by 4, 1 minus d square by 4 power 1 plus d square by 4 power of 2 minus d square by 4 power cube up to so on into x square. Here x square, 3 time of derivative of x square is 0. Since d4, d5 all are 0, it means neglecting d cube and higher powers of d. Okay. So pi will be only 1 by 4, 1 minus d square by 4 into x square. Okay. Now multiply this, x square multiply by 1 x square minus d square by 4 into x square, this one. Now d square x square, see here d square x square, d square means derivative. So first d into d I am writing, derivative of x square 2x, again derivative of 2x is 2. So d square x square means 2 by 4 as it is. So 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Cross multiply this, 2 into x square, 2x square minus 1 by 2, 2 for the 8. So general solution y is equal to cf plus pi. Cf is this one, c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus pi 1 by 8, 2x square minus 4, 2x square minus 1. Now next question, solve d square plus 3d plus 2 of y is equal to x. Solution, this is our f of d and x is equal to small x. Auxiliary equation of fd of y is equal to 0 is fm equal to 0. D replace with m, so m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. 2, using factorization method, these 2 can be written as 2 multiplied by 1. Since I need 3 plus 2 plus 1. So here the equation will be m plus 2 m plus 1 equal to 0. Send these to that side, it become minus 1 minus 2. Both are different, means real and distinct roots. m1 equal to minus 1, m2 equal to minus 2. Cf will be c1 e power of m1x plus c2 e power of m2x. m1 minus x, m2 minus 2x. Now particular integral formula, you know that pi is equal to x by f of d. X means here small x, f of d, this one d square plus 3d plus 2. Now these 2 take outside, here it become 1 plus d square plus 3d by 2. Okay, brings this to the numerator, 1 by 2, 1 plus d square plus 3d by 2 power of minus 1 into x. Now expand this using binomial expansion. 1 by 2, since plus is there, here plus means alternate plus minus. So 1 minus d square plus 3d by 2 plus d square plus 3d by 2 whole square minus d square plus 3d by 2 whole cube up to so on into x. Here see, this is x, 2 time of derivative of x is 0. So neglecting higher power of d square. Okay. So pi will be 1 by 2, 1 minus d square plus 3d by 2 into x. Okay. Now multiply this, x into 1 x minus d square plus 3d by 2 into x. Now here open this bracket, x into d square x plus 3d into x 3dx by 2. 2 time of derivative 0. 3 as it is, derivative of x 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 x minus 0 plus 3 by 2 3 by 2. Cross multiply 2 into x 2x minus 3 by 2 2 2s are 4. So general solution will be CF plus PI. CF e power of minus x plus C to e power of minus 2x plus PI 1 by 4 2x minus 3. Now next question. Solve d square plus 1 of y is equal to x square plus 3x. So this is f of d and capital X is equal to x square plus 3x. Auxiliary equation of f d of y equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. Replace d with m, so m square plus 1 equal to 0. Say plus 1 send to that side, it become minus 1 square, when it come it will become square root. So m is equal to 0 plus or minus root minus 1 means 1 into I means complex root. Alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 1. So CF is equal to e power of alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Alpha means 0, beta means 1 and beta means 1. E power of 0 into x 0, e power of 0 1. So CF is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Now part B, particular integral. So particular integral will be x by f of d. What is x? X square plus 3x. F of d, d square plus 1, I am going to write 1 plus d square as it is. So here first term is 1. So bring this denominator to the numerator, it become 1 plus d square minus 1 x square plus 3x as it is. Now expand this using binomial expansion. Plus means alternate minus, plus 1 minus d square power 1 plus d square power 2 minus d square power of 3 up to so on into x square plus 3x. Okay, x square plus 3x. Next 1 minus d square plus 2 into 2 4 d power of 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3 6 up to so on x square plus 3x. See here x square plus 3x, 3 times of derivative of x square plus 3x is 0. So neglecting d cube and higher power of x. So pi will be 1 minus d square only. 1 minus d square, neglecting this and higher power. So 1 minus d square into x square plus 3x. Multiply here 1 into x square plus 3x minus d square into x square plus 3x. 1 multiplied by x square plus 3x, x square plus 3x minus 2 times of derivative of x square 2, 2 times of derivative of 3x 0. So x square plus 3x minus 2 plus 0 2. Pi is equal to this one. So general solution is CF plus Pi. So CF c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus Pi x square plus 3x minus 2. Now next question. Solve d square plus 1 of y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. F of d is equal to d square plus 1. Capital X is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. First CF. So auxiliary equation of fd of y equal to 0 is fm equal to 0. Replace d with m. So m square plus 1 equal to 0. Send plus 1 there, it become minus 1. Square means square root. So it will be 0 plus or minus 1i complex root. Alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 1. So CF will be e power of alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Alpha means 0, beta means 1, beta means 1. E power of alpha 0 into x 0, e power of 0 1. CF will be c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Now part B, particular integral. Particular integral is x by f of d. X means x square plus 2x plus 1 by f of d. d square plus 1 means 1 plus d square. Bring this denominator to the numerator, it become 1 plus d square minus 1, and this x square plus 2x plus 1 as it is. Expand this. So plus means alternate plus minus. So 1 minus d square power of 1 plus d square power of 2 minus d square power of 3 up to so on, x square plus 2x plus 1. Now 1 minus d square plus 2 multiplied by 2 4 d power of 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3 6 up to so on, x square plus 2x plus 1. Now see here, x square 3 times of derivative of x square and other terms are 0. It means neglecting higher powers. So pi will be 1 minus d square only. These and higher terms will be neglected. So remain x square plus 2x plus 1. So 1 multiplied by x square plus 2x plus 1 minus d square into x square plus 2x plus 1. So 1 into this, so it become x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2 times of derivative of x square 2, 2 times of derivative of 2x 0, 2 times of derivative of 1 0. So x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. So pi this one. So general solution will be CF plus pi. CF is this one, pi means x square plus 2x minus 1. Next, solve d square plus 3d plus 2 of y is equal to x square. This is f of d and this is x is equal to x square. Okay. So auxiliary equation fd of y is equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. So m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. Using quad factorization method, 2 can be written as 2 plus 1. So it means m plus 2, m plus 1 equal to 0. Send these to that side, it become minus 1, minus 2. So both are different, m1, m2, real and distinct roots. So CF will be C1 e power of m1x plus C2 e power of m2x. m1 minus 1, m2 minus 2. Okay. Now particular integral formula is x by f of d. X means x square, f of d means d square plus 3d plus 2. Take 2 common outside, so it become 1 plus d square plus 3d by 2. Now bring this denominator to the numerator, it become 1 plus d square plus 3d by 2 power minus 1. Now expand this. So 1 means alternate plus minus. Okay. So 1 minus d square plus 3d by 2 power of 1 plus d square plus 3d by 2 power 2 minus d square plus 3d by 2 whole cube up to so on into x square. See here, d square x square, okay, 2, but d cube x square is 0. It means neglecting higher powers of d square. So pi only will be 1 by 2, 1 minus d square plus 3d by 2 plus d square plus 3d by 2 whole square remain, and using a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So d square whole square plus 2 into d square into 3d plus 3d whole square by 2 square 4. Higher term neglected, so only remain x square. Now again 2 2s are 4, neglect that. D square into d cube, neglect that. So only 1 minus d square plus 3d by 2 plus only 9d square by 4. First 1, 2, 4. Take the LCM. The LCM will be 4. 1 as it is. Here 1. 1 multiplied by 4, 4. So this one d square plus 3d as it is. 2 multiplied by 2, 4 plus 9d square as it is by 4. Now 1 multiplied by 4, 4 minus 2 into d square minus 2d square minus 2 into 3d minus 6d plus 9d square. 4 minus 6d plus 9d square minus 2d square plus 7d square into x square. Now multiply this. 4 into x square minus 6d into x square plus 7d into x square. 4 as it is, 4x square as it is, minus 6 derivative of x square 2x plus 7 as it is 2 time of derivative of x square 2. Here 2, 2 and 2, take out common, 2 common, 2 by 8 means 1 by 4. So it will remain 2x square minus 6x plus 7. This is Pi. So general solution will be CF plus Pi. CF is this one plus Pi is this one. Okay. Now next question. Solve d square minus 4d plus 3 of y is equal to x square. Okay. So f of d is equal to d square minus 4d plus 3 and capital X is equal to x square. Auxiliary equation of f dy is equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. Replace d with m. So m square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. 3 using factorization method. 3 means 3 multiplied by 1. Since I need minus 4, so it become minus 1 minus 3. I will write this as m minus 1 m minus 3 equal to 0. Send these to that side. Minus 1 become plus 1, minus 3 become plus 3. Both are different. m1 1, m2 3. CF will be C1 e power of m1x plus C2 e power of m2x. m1 1, m2 3. So CF will be C1 e power of x plus C2 e power of 3x. Next, Pi. Pi particular integral is x by f of d. X means x square by f of d, 3 minus 4d plus d square. Take out 3 common. So here it become 1 minus, when you take minus outside, 4d square, it become minus d square by 3. Bring this denominator to the numerator, it become minus 1. So 1 by 3, expand this, since it is minus, all are positive. 1 plus 4d minus d square by 3 plus 4d minus d square by 3 whole square plus 4d minus d square by 3 whole cube up to so on into this x square. Here it is x square. Now here see x square. So 3 time of derivative d cube x square is 0. So neglecting higher powers of d. So Pi will be 1 by 3 1 plus 4d minus d square by 3 into x square, neglecting all these higher powers. So 1 multiplied by x square 1 x square plus 4d minus d square by 3 into x square. These are same. 4d into x square minus d square into x square by 3. Here, so 1 by 3 x square plus 4 d of x square, derivative of x square 2x minus 2 time of derivative of x square 2 by 3. So take the LCM, 3 into x square 3x square plus 4 2s are 8x minus 2 by 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 9. Pi is equal to 1 by 9 3x square plus 8x minus 2. General solution will be CF plus Pi. CF is this one, Pi is here. Now next question. Solve d square plus 16 of y is equal to x cube. Solution. This is our f of d, d square plus 16. Capital X is equal to x cube. First part CF. Auxiliary equation of f d of y is equal to 0 is f of m equal to 0. So m square plus 16 equal to 0. Plus 16 sent to that side, it become minus 16. Square, when it come here, becomes square root. Minus 16 means minus 1 into 4 square. Root minus 1 means I. 4 square root of 4 square 4. Alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 4. Complex roots. CF is equal to e power of alpha x C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin beta x. Alpha means 0, beta means 4, beta means 4. 0 into x 0 e power of 0 1. CF will be C1 cos 4x plus C2 sin 4x. Now part B, particular integral. Particular integral formula is x by f of d. X means x cube by 16 plus d square. 16, take out 16 common, so it here this place it become 1, d square become d square by 16. Bring this denominator to the numerator. So 1 by 16, 1 plus d square by 16 minus power minus 1 x cube. So minus, expand this using binomial expansion. Okay. So 1 by 16 plus means alternate plus minus 1 minus d square by 16 power of 1 plus d square by 16 power of 2 minus d square by 16 power of cube up to so on into x cube. So 1 by 16, 1 minus d square by 16 plus 2 2s are 4, d power of 4 by 256 minus 2 3s are 6, d power of 6 by 16 into 16 into 16 4096 up to so on into x cube. See here 3 time of derivative. Okay, it means d cube x cube is 0. So neglecting higher powers of x. So 1 by 16, 1 minus d square by 16 remain into x cube as this higher power will become 0. So 1 by 16, 1 into x cube minus d square by 16 into x cube. 1 by 16 x cube minus 2 time of x cube 6x by 16. 6 by 16 means 3 by 8. Okay, now multiply this. X cube by 16 minus 3x by 16 into 8, 128. So y, general solution CF plus PI. This is our CF plus this is our PI. Last problem of this video. Solve d square plus 9 into y is equal to x power of 4. This is f of d and this is capital X. Auxiliary equation of fd of y is equal to 0 is fm equal to 0, means m square plus 9 equal to 0. Send plus 9 there, it become minus 9. Square means square root, plus or minus 3i. Alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 3. So here CF will be e power of alpha x, C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin beta x. Alpha means 0x, C1 cos beta, beta means 3, beta means 3. So e power of 0 1. So CF will be C1 cos 3x plus C2 sin 3x. Okay. Now next thing PI. So particular integral will be x by f of d. X means x power of 4 by f of d, 9 plus d square. Take out 9 common, 1 plus d square by 9. So 1 by 9, 1 plus d square by 9 power of minus 1 into x power of 4. So using binomial expansion, expand this. So 1 minus d square by 9 power of 1 plus d square by 9 power of 2 up to so on into x power of 4. So 1 by 9, 1 minus d square by 9 plus 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4 by 9 square 81 up to so on x power of 4. See, d power of 5 x power of 4 will be 0. So neglecting higher powers of d square. Now Pi will be 1 by 9, 1 minus d square by 9 plus d power of 4 by 81 only into x square. So 1 by 9 multiply this, x power of 4 into 1, 1 to x to the 1 into x to the power of 4 minus d square by 9 into x power of 4 plus d power of 4 by 81 into x power of 4. So 1 by 9 x power of 4 as it is minus d 2 time of derivative of x power of 4 12x square by 9 plus 4 time of x power of 4 24 by 81. General solution will be CF plus PI. CF is this one plus PI is this one. 1 by 9 x power of 4 minus 12 by 9 4 by 3 x square plus 24 by 81 8 by 27. Now this video concludes. Before leaving, again I am telling, subscribe my YouTube channel Explore Maths with Abdul Azim sir. Share it with your friends and relatives. That's all.